everyone, in this video I will show you how to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone blocks you. So what I'm showing you right now is an Instagram or an account of my friend. Let's just say this is my friend and she's going to block me. So I am Justin. So as you can see, my friend will tap this three dots and then will block me. So what am I going to do in order to unblock myself from this friend? So basically, for this tutorial, I am Justin and my friend will now block me. I can't longer see any of his or her posts and I cannot DM, I cannot message him or her. So as you can see, if Alexa message or search me, then probably she will see this one because she blocked me. This person has blocked me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my other account, my Justin account. And then as you can see, if I'm going to search that person, that friend, which is Alexa, I cannot see that person's profile anymore. That's because that person has blocked me. Now, how can I message this person to ask why did he or she block me if I cannot longer see his or her profile or DM or private message him or her? So I'm going to ask a friend. You can ask someone to create a group chat for you and for your friend who has blocked you on your Instagram. So let's just say Ellie, my friend, will create an account here, a group chat. This group chat, she will add me and Alexa, the friend who blocked me. You can also do this if you have other account as well. But you can also ask someone to do it if you don't have another account. So for this, Ellie will add Alexa and will add me. So this is our group chat. So basically, this is the only way that I can reach the person who has blocked me, which is Alexa. Now I'm going to open my account, Tristan. And then here, as you can see, Ellie have invited me to join to their group. And in this group, there is Alexa, me, and Ellie. Now I can message that person who has blocked me on Instagram. You can also do this by creating another account, or you can ask someone to do it for you. In this way, you can unblock yourself from someone by sending his or her a message and ask him why did he or she block you. Maybe she just accidentally did it, or maybe did it on purpose. But in this way, you can reach out to him or her and ask him about it or ask her about it. If you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.